What's up, guys? Welcome back to Crypto Weekly Review, home of the Wolfpack, your number one source of cryptotainment to get you through the bear market. In this episode, we're going to talk about why I think we're going to get a November pump. I believe the Federal Reserve is going to let off the pedal on tightening to get this administration through the elections. We also have exclusive footage of the 3AC yacht and much, much more. Let's not waste any more time. Let's jump straight into the charts.
You big old sus, yeah. I just doubled up on crypto. I just doubled down on the new vest. Now my chair looking like 2 checks. Type of money made me want a 2-step. Who next? This week I be on the moon next. Stock going up like 2x. That's a fast flip like suplex. Two really stepping like a duplex. You bet never lose change, but I do flex on it.
Bitcoin on the daily chart is looking pretty good, which is great because everybody I know in crypto is freaking broke.
I don't have any money, dude.
Okay.
I'm broke, man. My life sucks.
I understand that.
You're making it worse.
Okay, I understand that, sir. But
No, you don't. Damn, you all fucking suck.
Okay.
You all fucking suck.
But have no fear because Bitcoin is flashing the goods, okay? Look, we did get a nice bounce off the S3 pivot. We totally called 17.7 on this channel. Shout out to the Wolfpack. But look, we rejected the 21 exponential moving average, confirmed the daily downtrend. This is free fall. Look how far we deviated from the 21 exponential moving average. Now it's looking like we're gonna get a low liquidity weekend pump into the S2 pivot, okay? Now look, the S2 pivot is going to coincide with the 21 exponential moving average in the next couple daily candles. Unfortunately, the trend is your friend until the end of the trend, and the probabilities are that we are going to get a rejection confirming the daily downtrend. Yes, once we get up into this 23.3 area and reject, it's going to be the same shit, different day.
Did you realize that if you sit on the toilet at 11:59 and the clock strikes midnight, it's the same shit, different day?
I would love to see a big bounce, a nice rally, a beautiful reversal, but there is a few headwinds going on in the world right now that might slow that down. For instance, let's take a look at the Dow on the monthly chart. That is a giant bearish engulfing candle. I think it is the people in charge that are mainly the problem, and excessive government spending. That is what got us into this situation to begin with. Jerome Powell is trying to tamper down inflation by raising interest rates. In fact, it is projected that the interest rates are going to double from what they are now to about 3.5% by December 2022. If that projected 3.5% Fed's funds rate by the end of 2022 can't take down the 8.6% headline CPI, then these rate hikes could be priced in, making the markets rally once again, and Jerome Powell will miss the 2% inflation target. The Federal Reserve's balance sheet went from $1 trillion to $7 trillion during the pandemic. They are trying to unwind that now through quantitative tightening by selling mortgage-backed securities and other assets. This is what's causing down pressure on the market. But one thing that no one wants to account for is the excessive government spending, not even Jerome Powell himself.
We are going to freeze our budgets. We're not going to spend a penny more than's already budgeted. Would that help?
Would it help?
Sir?
Would it help with?
Would it help reduce inflation?
It would depend on. It might.
Welcome to Clown Town.
When the government spends money, it is just borrowing it into existence. It is just printing it out of thin air, diluting the money supply and making the price of everything go up. So what I'm saying is, if Federal Reserve, if Jerome Powell cannot get a hold of inflation, we are going to start pumping once again. That's why we study these markets, to figure out where is the safest place for our excess productivity, aka our money. But we also study it to pick up chicks.
What is hyperinflation?
Hyperinflation. That's runaway inflation. See, they keep printing money. It happened in 1920s Germany, actually. They print so much money that it devalued all the goods and services in the country because that remained the same.
A weak response by the Federal Reserve, uncontrolled government spending, and the November elections is why I think we are going to get a rally into November. However, I don't think it is yet. I think there is a little bit more pain to come, and we're going to let the charts tell us. Malinvestment is a really big theme during these big inflationary cycles, including our own government spending tens of billions of dollars on this endless war in Ukraine, which hits hard for me because I was born in Ukraine. But don't worry, guys, it'll be over soon because they finally sent in Ben Stiller to solve the problem.
Wonderful. You're my hero. You're yes. No. As you quit a great acting career for this. Not so great. No, but pretty great.
Yes, that is correct. They're both actors. Vladimir Zelensky was an actor and a comedian before he was the president of Ukraine. Well, now maybe they can put their acting powers together. Maybe Ben Stiller can call up the guys from Tropic Thunder and defeat Russia once and for good.
Yeah, exactly. You know, there were times when I was doing Jack that I actually felt retarded, like really retarded.
The malinvestment continues as Three Arrows Capital and Suzu, who has crashed the market by being completely overleveraged and irresponsible. In fact, now it is coming out that Suzu had ordered and bragged about a $60 million yacht that now he cannot pay for. And I did some research and found the yacht, and it is an absolute beauty. Well, the boats and hoes may have to wait until after Suzu gets out of jail. I don't know if he's going to get arrested. Is malinvestment a crime? Is misallocation of resources a crime? Well, if it was, then I guess our whole government would be in jail. Okay, so maybe he is going to get away with this. Of course, he's not going to be able to pay for the delivery of the boat. And furthermore, I'm not sure that this contagion, this liquidity over leveraged crisis in crypto is over yet. Three Arrows Capital could be like the Goldman Sachs, and we're going to have a Lehman Brothers. I'm not sure if it is over. Let me know in the comments below. Has the contagion passed? Is the liquidity crisis over? Or are we going to see more blood in the streets?
And this is just the beginning.
Trevor Lawrence, an up-and-coming rising star quarterback, has turned his $24 million signing bonus into $9 million by getting it all in crypto. I guess you could say that his portfolio got sacked.
The snap, time in the pocket, and he is going to lose the ball as he's sacked on his first play.
One thing that is concerning me in crypto is the rise of FTX. I don't like Sam Bankman-Fried. I don't like Solana. I don't like their business model. Yes, they are bailing everybody out from their margin calls, stopping the dump, which is good, but also they are a bit of a bad actor. I mean, Solana is not decentralized. It is down all of the time. And they also froze a main wallet from getting liquidated. They can freeze your funds. Like, is this the direction that we want crypto to go? Is this the company that we want to have a monopoly over it? This is 100% a Wall Street friendly, big bank friendly company. And if they start buying everybody out and controlling the markets, it's just going to be Wall Street all over again here. And I would like to move away from that. That's why Bitcoin and cryptocurrency was invented. So no, I'm not a big fan of Sam. He is a giant supporter of Biden and the New World Order administration. He is the great reset of crypto. Hex on the daily chart is still pumping. What happened? Did Richard Hart finally get some twerking lessons?
Riding for Rookies is a beginner level D riding class, and we are coming to a city near you. Our summer tour dates have just been released.
Imagine the smell. All right, so Hex is pumping. Right after I posted the video, it got another leg up. We are above the S1 pivot right here, but still pressed down below the 21 exponential moving average. But chill out, because we are consolidating at resistance. I don't believe in triple tops, because if you have a triple top with higher lows, that is an ascending triangle. Now that is one of the most bullish breakout patterns, one of the highest reliabilities that can happen. I don't think that Hex is going to new all-time highs and the bottom is in, but I think the probabilities are high that we are going to take out the 21 exponential moving average. And that sounds pretty good, just like Richard's new Lamborghini.
What this bad boy sounds like.
Is it Richard Hart's clean-shaven legs or his clean-shaven face that is pumping the market? Whales by 28 million Hex during the dip, pumping at 20%. Now, we all know Richard has all of these wallets. There's only a few wallets that are pumping the price. I would stay away from chasing this candle, because I think it is Richard pumping it like he usually does, which is okay with me, but I wouldn't be buying the top of that candle or any God whale candle. It's always proven to be hurting. Okay, so I still think Hex is going down, but it looks strong. It looks right here, it's consolidating at resistance. It looks like it is going to pop through. Okay, so yeah, let's hope for new all-time highs, but with the documentary coming out, you know, in next year, I just don't see it. Okay, if Bitcoin keeps pumping, you know, it's a good time. It's strategically bought by whales right around the time when Bitcoin is playing out a bounce. Okay, now anyways guys, so I have an announcement to make. I am going to San Diego for a little bit, and I'm going to do Pacific Coast Highway in a 2022 Corvette. Of course, I'm going to take drone shots. Of course, I'm going to document some of it for the Wolfpack. Yes, we're going to have a Wolfpack update, okay? So like and subscribe if you want to see that. Hit the like button, guys. And oh yeah, and drop me a comment, please, all right? So like and subscribe, join the Wolfpack, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.